The city felt heavy today, so I needed to get out for a while. Some days, you just need space, so I took my gear and left Córdoba. Not chasing anything, just trying to breathe a little easier. A short trip later, I reached Casa Bamba. Alright guys, me and my girlfriend here, we're in Casa Bamba. The quickest escape from the city you can imagine. We needed a reset today, so we came here, where the mountains start immediately. It's actually crazy how fast you go from city noise to this. Look at this beauty. Today's plan is very simple. We're climbing to the top of the mountain and potentially get surprised by Mother Nature. See what it gives us if we find some interesting animals. So let's see. Alright, so we've gotten off the train tracks and we're on the main path and beginning our ascent upwards into the mountain. It's a little bit steep here, but it's not really a difficult obstacle for us. We're gonna keep ascending. Alright, so we've reached the viewpoint area. We got a pretty decent view of the mountains on this side and the sun coming down over the horizon, as well as on this side as well. Look at all those beautiful Sierra mountains. Wow. Stunning landscapes. We're gonna launch up the drone and take some cinematic shots. So the sun already went over the horizon here, but we're kind of chilling over here and enjoying as the shadow is getting larger and larger and the colors are changing. Really beautiful. Look at that beautiful sunset. Those clouds glowing bright orange in the background. I love it. Looks very, very beautiful. We're gonna start heading down the mountain in a moment. Hopefully, we see some interesting wildlife on our way down, but nothing's a given, of course.